I'm interested in the timeline that you see quantum computing hitting mainstream. So what's your perspective? Is this a decades-long journey or is this a right now thing?
I don't want to put a timeline on it because that, but I'll tell you this. So there are two different aspects. One is the software and algorithm, and the other one is the hardware. The software one, people have been working on it since 80s and 90s. So it's a very well-developed algorithms, including Grover, which is not new, it's 1990s. There's multiple very famous ones that have shown to be very effective. The issue on the hardware side is the hardware is noisy. There is no essentially error correction that we see on the classical computers. And that is one of the biggest areas that they're struggling with. And like this latest announcement of the Google was we modified the hardware in a way that the more qubits you utilize, the less error correction it would require. That's why it was a big deal. But then even that, people came out and say, okay, this is nowhere near classical computers. This has a huge amount of noise and it's still better than what it was before, but it still have a lot of way to go, a long way to go to get to a point that, okay, I can, as a researcher, I can get in, run something on it, get the results, and don't have to have like a physics or computing or both backgrounds to be able to analyze the output. That is the challenge that is remaining. Someone solves that error handling error correction issue, which we solved for classical computers in 1960s, then we're going to see a huge jump in this.